Hi, I'm Daisy. If you're selling a home in Florida, you've probably heard the term as-is contract. Many sellers assume it means the buyer takes the home exactly as it sits, no repairs, take it or leave it. It seems understandable, given how as-is is normally understood, but in Florida real estate, it often plays out differently. In the standard FAR as-is residential contract for sale and purchase, approved by Florida Realtors and the Florida Bar, the form includes an inspection period where the buyer can evaluate the property. Sellers hear as is and think the buyer has no leverage. But an inspection contingency can create leverage, not because the buyer can demand repairs, but because they can decide to walk away. Because of that, sellers are often surprised when buyers ask for repairs or credits after a home inspection. From a seller's perspective, that can feel frustrating or counterintuitive. But it also means the buyer is still engaged and trying to keep the deal together rather than walking away. Here's where market conditions matter a lot. In a very strong seller's market, buyers may waive inspections. That does happen. But it's not the default. In a balanced market or a buyer-leaning market, inspections are the norm. Most buyers aren't going to purchase one of the largest assets of their life without checking it out first. That's why post-inspection talks are common even in as-is scenarios. At that point, sellers face a choice: hold firm and consider the risk of the buyer walking away, or explore options to keep the deal moving, like discussing repairs or credits if it makes business sense. And that's where the saying applies: a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. When a buyer walks, you don't just lose that buyer. You lose time, momentum, and sometimes create doubt in the market about the condition of your home. The next buyer is also very likely to find the same issues. That's why many sellers choose to negotiate in some way under as-is contracts. By the way, if you want to understand how 4-point inspections affect sellers, I've linked that video here. We're about clarity, not hype. Find us at listings41.com.